Hello everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain about the fractions. In this chapter, the topic is the conversion of mixed fractions into improper fractions. How to convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction, that is the topic. For example, here 3 1 by 5. This is the mixed fraction. How to convert into improper fraction. Now here, this whole number 3 and this denominator, these two should multiply and add numerator and write the value. So 3 5 is 15, 15 plus 1, 3 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5. Now 3 5 is 15 plus 1 divided by 5. The answer is 16 by 5. Like this you have to convert. One more example, 7 2 by 3. 7 2 by 3. Now how to convert? These two should multiply and add numerator. 7 3 is 21 plus 2, 22 divided by, as it is denominator, that is 3. 21 plus 2 is 23 by 3. This is the procedure. This is the starting learning process, and next you can write like this, directly you can write. And one more example here, 5 2 by 7. Now 5 7 is 35 plus numerator, that is 5 7 is 35 plus numerator is 2 divided by 7, that equal to 37 by 7. This is the process, how to convert that mixed into improper fraction. One more here. Now, conversion of improper fractions into. Now, next topic is conversion of improper fractions into mixed fraction. Now here, for example, 13 by 5. Now, how to convert? See, this is the improper fraction. Now, how to convert into mixed fraction? So, 13 by 5 means you divide 13 by 5. 5 divides 13 how many times? 2 times. 5 2 is 10. Then remainder is 3. Balance value is 3. Now, how to write here? 2 3 by 5. Like this order you have to write down. First one is quotient 2 and remainder is 3 divided by 5. This is the process. If you know like this how to write, then it is easy to write or convert into improper fraction. Now check it once here. 2 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 by 5. Got it now? Right. Now like this here. 15 by 4. Now how to convert 15 by 4? Just here check it. 15 by 4. 4 how many times divides 15? 3 times. 4 3 is 12. And remainder is balance value equal how much? 5 minus 2? 3. Now how to write? 3 by 4. 3 is a quotient and remainder is 3 divided by 4. This is the way of writing the numbers like this. This is the conversion of improper into mixed fraction. Now next topic is addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Suppose here 2 1 by 3 plus 5 1 by 2. Now how can you find out? How to add these mixed fractions? Whenever mixed fractions are given in the question, first what you have to do? First, to convert these mixed fractions into improper fraction. Now, first you convert 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 3. Next, 5 1 by 2 here. This is the solution. Here, this is the question. Now here. Here, 7 by 3 here plus 5 1 by 2. Again, you convert into improper. 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 by 2. Now add these two numbers. 7 by 3 plus 11 by 2. Now directly I have to find out the LCM of the denominators. 3 2 ja 6 is the LCM. 3 divides 6 how many times? 2 times. So that 2 multiplication of numerator value 7, and here plus is there, plus you have to write. If minus is there, then you have to write minus. So for both addition and subtraction, the procedure is same. Now plus, here 2 divides 6 how many times? 3 times. So 3 multiplication of numerator value is 11. Now 2 7 ja 14 plus 3 11 ja 33 divided by 6. Now add 14 plus 33. Directly you can add here unit digit value, unit digit value. Unit digit is nothing but 1's place. So 4 plus 3 is 7, and again 10's place. Here 10 place value is 3 plus 1 is 4. 10's place 3 and 1. So 4 divided by 6. This is the addition of these two mixed fractions. Whenever question is given in the mixed fraction, then you can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now directly you can divide. 6 divides 47 how many number of times? You have to check it in your mind. 6 7 ja 42. So 7 times. Why? Because 6 8 ja 48. 48 is not there here. So 6 7 ja 42, and 47 minus 42, the remainder value balance is 5 divided by, as it is denominator, you have to write down. This is the answer. Now once you have to check it, is it correct or not? Here 7 6 ja 42, 42 plus 5, 47 divided by 6. This is the answer. One subtraction sum just here, 3 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 3. Easy question here. How to solve? Once check it here. Same procedure. First, whenever mixed fractions are given, first you should convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2 minus 2 3 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 3. 7 by 2 minus 7 by 3. Again find out the LCM. 2 3 ja 6 is the LCM. 2 divides 6 3 times. 3 7 ja, or 3 into 7 you write, and again minus 3 divides 6 2 times. Now 2 multiplication of numerator 7. Now 3 7 ja 21 minus 2 7 ja 14 by 6. Now 21 minus 14 equal how much? 7. 7 by 6. This is the improper fraction. Now you convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. 6 divides 7 how many number of times? 1 time. Why? Because 1 6 ja 6. 2 6 ja 12. But here 12 not there. So you have to consider 1. 6 1 ja 1 time, that 1. 6 1 ja 6. 7 minus 6. 1 is the balance. So that 1 divided by 6. I will show here. Divisor is 6 here, dividend is 7. So 6 goes in 7 how many times? 1 time. So subtraction 7 minus 6 is 1. Now this is a way of writing 1 1 by 6. This is the answer. You can check it. 1 6 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 6. This is the verification. Is it right or not? Yes. Like this, you can add or subtract the mixed fractions. Next topic is decimals. What are decimal numbers? If the decimal point is in the number, those numbers we call it as decimal numbers or decimals. Suppose 0.1 or 2.5, 3.78, like this. These numbers we can say that these are the decimal numbers. So these decimal numbers, how to convert into fraction? Conversion of decimal to fraction. How can you convert 0.1? 0.1 here, 0 before number, left side numbers are whole number, and 0 after right side numbers, those are all the decimal part of the numbers. Here 2.5, 2 is a whole number and 5 is the decimal number. and here 3 is the whole number and 7, 8 are the decimal part of the number. So 0.1, how to convert into fraction? Here what you have to do, whenever you are converting decimal number into fraction number, then you have to write that as it is number. Remove the decimal point and write as it is number. That means 0, 1. 0, 1 means number before 0, it has no value. So no need to write 0 here. Directly you can write 1. And later 1 by here. Point after how many number of digits are there? Those number of zeros, 1 after zeros, you have to write down in the denominator. So first 1 you write, and a point after how many number of digits are there? 1 digit. So 1 0. Here put 1 0. So 0.1 equal to, what is the equivalent value of fraction? That is 1 by 10. Here 2.5. Remove the decimal point. Write that as it is number. That means what it becomes? 25. So 25 divided by point of 1 first you write, and point after how many number of digits are there? 1 digit. So put 1 0. 25 by 10 is the answer. Now here 3.78. Now remove the decimal point. Write as it is number. 378 divided by 1. Put 1. And here point after how many number of digits are there? Those number of zeros you have to write here. Now 1 after 2 zeros. 2 digits are there, so you have to write 2 zeros. That means what is the equivalent value? 378 by 100. Here what you can understand here? Point after how many number of digits are there? Those number of zeros. 1 after those number of zeros you can write in the, you have to write in the denominator. So 1 point after 1 digit means 1 0. Point after 2 digits means you have to write 1 after 2 zeros. Suppose 3 digits are there. Then how much you have to write? 1 after 3 zeros. That means 1000 you have to write down. This is a way of converting the decimal number into fraction. Next topic is converting fraction form into decimal form. This is the fraction, then how to convert into decimal form. So 3 by 10. 3 by 10 equal to how much here? What is the decimal equivalent value that you have to write down? How to write numerator value first as it is, write 3. 3 is the numerator, so as it is 3 you write. Next in the denominator, 1 after how many number of zeros are there? Those you have to count. Here how many number of zeros are there? 1 0. So 1 0 is there means from the right side of the number to count 1 digit, after you have to put the decimal point. So only one number is there. So 3 before, just you have to put the decimal point. So point before any other number is not there. So what you have to do? 0 you write. So what is the equivalent value? 0.3 is the answer. Where 3 by 10 equal to 0.3. For example here 3 by 100. Then what is the equivalent value? As it is the number 3 you write first. But what I say in the denominator, 1 after how many number of zeros are there? Those you have to count, I said. So 2 zeros are there. Count 2 digits after you have to put the decimal point. From the right side of the number to count 2 digits after you have to put the decimal point. Here only 1 digit is there. Second digit not there. So what you have to do? Put 0. Whenever another digit not there, then put 0. And 0 after you have to put the decimal point, and here also you have to write 0. 0.03. What is the equivalent decimal number? 0.03. Now suppose here 25 by 10. In the denominator only 1 0. Directly you have to write 2.5. 25 right, and 5 after, from the right side of the number to count 1 digit. So 5 after you have to put the decimal point. For example here 25 by 100. Now how can you write? Write as it is the number 25. Here 2 zeros are there. So count 3 digits after you have to put the decimal point. So here 1, 2, only 2 digits are there. One more digit is required. So put 0 here. 0.025 is the answer. Sorry, here only 2 digits. So So 0.25 is the answer. For example, here 25 by 1000 is there. Then write 25. But here 3 zeros are there in the denominator. So count 1, 2 and one more digit after you have to put the decimal point. So here write 0.025 is the answer. This is the way of converting to the fractions into decimal number. Next topic is addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. So here 0.3 plus 0.6. How to add these two numbers? Whenever decimal numbers are there, then first what you have to write in the vertical manner or directly also you can write. But this is the starting stage. Write in the vertical manner. 0.3 is the first number and second number is 0.6. Here point after only one digit. Here also point after only one digit. So these points are in the vertical manner. That means point down, point only you have to write down. So this is the way of writing. Now add 3 plus 6 is 9 and here see. Now suppose second question here 0.25 plus 3.785. How to add these two numbers? Now how to write? Add these numbers in the vertical manner. So first number is 0.25 as it is right. And second number is 3.785. 3 point before only one digit, 0 down, 3 you write, and point down, point you write. Next 785. 785. This is the way of writing. Point down, point only you have to write down. This is that point after first place is tenths place, and second one is hundredths place, and third digit is thousandths place. Here ones, tens, hundreds, like this, that we know already. Now add the numbers here. Here any other number not there means you can assume that is 0. So directly 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 you write. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Right. 3 plus 1 is 4. So what is that number? 4.035 is the answer. Suppose subtraction of the numbers. How to add? 3.85 minus, here 13.85 minus 5.73. This is the question. Now how to write this number? First number as it is right. Now 13.85. Here 5.73. Here point before two digits are there. In the second number only point before only one digit is there. This is in tens, this is in ones place and this one is in tens place. 13 means ones place, tens place. So ones place down, ones place only you have to write down. What you have to remember in that addition and subtraction of decimals means point down, point only you have to write down. Point before as it is numbers you write here, point before here only one digit, that means 5.7373. Tens place, hundreds place. This is ones place and this one is tens place. Now here subtraction is there. Write the symbol here, subtraction. Now subtract, you know the procedure. Now same procedure only you have to follow. But what you have to remember in the addition and subtraction of decimals means write the numbers in the vertical manner and write the numbers in the order, in the correct form, in the correct order you have to write them. That is only the main thing. So 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 minus 7 is 1, point is there, you also write point. Here 3 minus 5 is not possible. Here borrow 1, 13 minus 5 is 8. So 8.12 is the answer. And one more subtraction is here. 7.23 minus 0.157. How can you subtract? Now here see the procedure here. First write the first number as it is, 7.23. Here 0.157. And here the symbol is subtraction. Write the symbol minus. Now here 157 here point after 3 digits are there. First number in the first number 3 digits not there. So what you have to write 0. Now 0 minus 7 is it possible? No. Borrow 1. Here cut it to here 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Procedure is same. Here again 2 minus 5 is not possible. Again borrow 1. Again 1, 2. 12 minus 5 is 7. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. So 7.073 is the answer. This is the way of adding and subtracting of decimal numbers. This is the last topic in this chapter, fractions. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Once again, thank you.